How to access OneDrive files offline. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open your device and then simply click on the search bar at the bottom left. In the search bar, search OneDrive and click on OneDrive. After you've clicked on OneDrive, you'll find all the OneDrive files in here. What you need to do is simply click on the file you want to download. After you've clicked on the file you want to download, it will open. And after it's opened, when you close the file, you'll find a tick mark instead of the cloud icon. That means the file has been downloaded. After it's downloaded, you will be able to click on it even when you're offline and use the file. And this is how to access OneDrive files offline. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.